Here's the DJI Mic 2. With this device, you're going to record high quality audio with your smartphone directly. With a smartphone, you do not need the aux cable. That is only for a DSLR or a mirrorless camera. To start using the receiver with your smartphone, you need to attach the USB-C input to the receiver. Inside the carrying case, you will find the USB-C adapter and also the lightning cable adapter. So this covers all iPhones and all devices with USB-C connection. You can also do the same installation to your laptop if it has a USB-C port, and also a tablet. Any device that has USB-C is going to work with this receiver. The first thing to do is to remove the plastic that is covering the pins that are going to give you USB-C connection. So next, I just slide the USB-C input into the receiver. So the next step is to attach the receiver to your smartphone. Here I have an iPhone 15. If you have an Android device, it is going to be the same thing. You just attach it like a charging cable. Once you have the receiver attached to the smartphone, the device display is going to show you a prompt that is going to confirm that you have the device attached to a smartphone or another device. The transmitter should have a green light, which means that it is trying to connect to the receiver. If not, you need to press the record button for more than 2 seconds and you will see a green light showing that the transmitter is ready to connect to the receiver. So after that, you will see the volume level on the screen of the receiver and you can start recording directly with the transmitter. So this setup is going to give you the highest audio quality. If you want to record directly on your smartphone, this is the way to do it. But if you want also, you can do it directly with Bluetooth connection. The setup with the Bluetooth connection is the easiest way to do it. You simply need to press on the record button for 2 seconds and you will see a blue light on the other side of the transmitter. Once you remove the transmitter out of the carrying case, by default it is going to try to connect to the receiver, and this is when you need to press the record button for 2 seconds and have the Bluetooth enabled. Once the transmitter is blinking a blue light, you simply need to take your smartphone and go look for the name of the transmitter. So the name of the Bluetooth connection for this transmitter DJI Mic 2 is DJI Mic 2 and a bunch of numbers. So once it is connected, you can start recording with the transmitter alone. Hello, this is just a test with the DJI Mic 2. I have the microphone very close to my mouth and I'm recording with this iPhone 15. Next is the DJI Mic 2. I have the microphone very close to my mouth and I'm recording with this iPhone 15. The transmitter needs to be closer to your mouth in order to record and have the audio at the highest quality level. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello. You can see when the transmitter is close to the phone and I'm trying to talk, the audio wave is very small and short. The final audio will be too low and it won't be audible. Definitely, I found that this device does increase the audio quality on my smartphone while I use it to record any videos. And also you can take advantage of the built-in noise cancellation on the transmitters.